In this video, we will introduce the prep about how to pass the Kubernetes and Cloud Native Security Associate (KCSA) exam. What is Kubernetes and Cloud Native Security Associate (KCSA) exam? Key benefits of the KCSA certification. Exam domains. Preparation tips. 1. What was the name of the precursor to pod security standards? A. Container Runtime Security. B. Kubernetes Security Context. C. Container Security Standards. D. Pod Security Policy. 2. You want to minimize security issues in running Kubernetes pods. Which of the following actions can help achieve this goal? A. Sharing sensitive data among pods in the same cluster to improve collaboration. B. Running pods with elevated privileges to maximize their capabilities. C. Implement pod security standards in the pod's YAML configuration. D. Deploying pods with randomly generated names to obfuscate their identities. 3. In the context of Kubernetes, what does persistence primarily refer to in a threat model? A. Continuous monitoring of network traffic. B. Ability of an attacker to maintain access to a resource. C. Data storage and backup mechanisms. D. Ongoing application performance management. 4. Which standard approach to security is augmented by the 4 C's of Cloud Native Security? A. Zero Trust. B. Least Privilege. C. Defense in Depth. D. Secure by Design. 5. What is the primary role of the Kubernetes scheduler? A. To assign pods to nodes in the cluster. B. To manage the network within the cluster. C. To monitor the health of pods. D. To orchestrate container storage. 6. In a Kubernetes environment, what role does a service mesh primarily play? A. Managing storage and database connections. B. Automating the deployment of containers. C. Monitoring resource utilization. D. Handling inter-service communications and security. 7. What is the primary function of the Kubernetes API server? A. To schedule pods to nodes. B. To manage the state of the cluster. C. To execute containerized applications. D. To handle networking between pods. 8. In Cloud Native Security, what is the significance of securing the artifact repository? A. It protects against unauthorized code changes. B. It ensures efficient cloud resource usage. C. It aids in faster application deployment. D. It manages user identities and access. 9. Which of these is a risk associated with malicious code execution in Kubernetes? A. Decreased application loading times. B. Unauthorized modification of running applications. C. Increased costs for cloud resources. D. Overutilization of storage resources. 10. Which of the following is a potential threat in the Kubernetes environment? A. High resource utilization. B. Inconsistent coding practices. C. Denial of service attacks. D. Frequent updates to applications. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.